Good afternoon. I'm a day late on these advent calendars. I was at Chicago yesterday for a concert, so let's just do day 4, which is yesterday's. Let's see what Ursula has to give us. And it is some drink umbrellas. Why? And a little card. I don't quite get this advent calendar. Just a little. Okay. All right, this little card is a recipe card for a drink, so that makes a little more sense. And then day 4 for the Funko. All right, we got the mayor, which is absolutely one of my favorite characters from Nightmare Before Christmas. That looks so good. None of the cats were around, so I grabbed this kitten. His name is Jack. Yes, I named my foster kitten after Nightmare Before Christmas. Jack, pay attention. We're going to open this box right here. Can you find number 4? Here we go, number 4. Here you go. You're not going to like it. I don't know what it is. Maybe you are going to like it. Oh, it's some kind of clip. Oh, I think you stick that to a wall and then you play with it. You like that? Okay. Jack likes it. Day 5 is a Dr. Distiller. I always say his name wrong. Envelope. Oh, that's pretty cool. Some kind of card. Shine it through a beam of light. Oh my god, that is really cool. Alright, the Funko Nightmare Before Christmas. We got Dr. Finkelstein. Look at that. Very cool. Jack is back. Jack, can you open this one right here? We're on day 5. I need you to open this one right here, okay? 5 guesses. This is going to be a stick of some kind. Oh, look at that. All right, Jack. It was a little predictable. It was a stick. So I guess what we got yesterday, we'll attach. Would you rather play with my hair? Feather or hair? You want the feather back. All right. A little wand to attach a toy to.